Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer Shiba Inu from Crypto.com to Coinbase. First, you need to verify your Coinbase account. Start by clicking on the Send or Receive in Coinbase, and you will be prompted to upload a photo of your ID. Verification usually takes a few minutes, but in some cases, it might take several days. So it's best to complete this step as early as possible. Next, generate a recipient address on Coinbase. Then open the Coinbase app or website, select the Receive option, and choose Shiba Inu as the cryptocurrency. Coinbase will then generate a unique wallet address for your Shiba Inu. Copy this address carefully to ensure accuracy. Now, go to the Crypto.com app and open your Shiba Inu wallet. After that, select the withdraw option and choose external wallet. Here, paste the Coinbase wallet address you copied earlier. Enter the amount of Shiba Inu you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Finally, wait for the transaction to process, which might take some time depending on blockchain activity. Once it's complete, the Shiba Inu will appear in your Coinbase account. Always double-check wallet addresses before confirming to avoid errors. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.